Knowledge is power, especially if an unexpected outage happens in your area. With Con Edison's interactive outage map, you can report power outages, monitor restoration status, and stay informed. Access the outage map from your computer or mobile device by visiting coned.com/outage map or download our app for iPhone and Android devices. When you open the outage map on your mobile device, you'll see an overview of outage events in the Con Edison service area. To check the status of an outage in your neighborhood, click or tap on the search icon at the top of the screen. Then type in your address in the drop-down bar and press Enter. If there's an outage in your neighborhood, you'll see a circular outage icon. Click or tap on the icon for more detailed information of the outage, including cause and estimated time of restoration. The different colors and shapes of outage icons represent the range of customers without power at specific locations. Click on the information icon for their meaning. Navigate to different map views by dragging the map with your finger. Zoom in and zoom out of the map by pinching or spreading the map with 2 fingers. To view a summary of total outages in the service area, click or tap the menu button on the upper left corner of the screen. This will also tell you when the outage map was last updated. Please note, the Con Edison outage map is updated every 15 to 30 minutes, so be sure to refresh the page to get the most current information. To report an outage, click or tap the Report Outage button. This will take you to a page where you can enter your outage information. If your power is out, don't hesitate to let us know, even if you think your neighbor has already reported it. After reporting your outage, we'll send updates on restoration status directly to your phone. For more detailed information and useful tools of the outage map, click the Help icon. We hope you never have to experience a power outage, but if you do, just know that with Con Edison's interactive outage map, you're empowered with the information you need.